Hello and welcome to Travel Closely informational videos. In this video I'm sharing my top 10 airport tips and tricks to make your next trip smoother, whether it's your first time flying or your 50th. 1. Register for Expedited Security Screening. If you travel often, Expedited Security Screening like TSA PreCheck or Global Entry can be a game changer. TSA PreCheck costs $85 for 5 years and often gets you through security in under 10 minutes. Global Entry, priced at $120, makes re-entry into the US faster. Just remember that approval can take from a few days up to several months. 2. Download your airline's app and check in online. Download your airline's app. Not only can you check in online, but you might also choose your seat and get notified of gate changes or delays. It's a simple time saver, especially if you don't have bags to check. 3. Pack your carry-on strategically. When packing your carry-on, think smart. Place electronics and liquids on top for easy access, and bring essentials like an empty water bottle, travel pillow, snacks, and meds. For long-haul flights, add a toothbrush, compression socks, and sleep aids like melatonin. Ask your doctor first if you're new to them. 4. Download entertainment. Long flights can feel endless, so load up your device with shows, music, and books. And don't forget a power bank just in case your seat doesn't have outlets. 5. Dress comfortably and for security. Comfort is key, so wear breathable layers and slip-on shoes. TSA PreCheck also means you can skip removing your shoes and belts. For long flights, switch contacts for glasses, your eyes will thank you. 6. Keep your documents accessible. Keep your passport and boarding pass handy, ideally in a zippered pocket in your carry-on. If your boarding pass is on your phone, make sure it's charged and easily accessible. 7. Skip checked baggage if possible. Traveling light saves time and hassle. If you can, avoid checking a bag and head straight to security. But if you must check bags, arrive early to avoid long lines, and mark your bag for easy recognition. 8. Bring a reusable water bottle. Airport bottled water can be pricey, so bring an empty reusable bottle. Once you're past security, fill it up and stay hydrated without the waste. 9. Give yourself enough time, but not too much. Arriving 2 hours early for domestic flights and 3 for international is a good rule of thumb, but adjust based on your plans and any traffic delays. And remember, you want to base your timing on boarding, not departure time. 10. Consider airport lounges. Got a long layover? An airport lounge can be worth it. Lounges often have free Wi-Fi, food, and comfy seating. Some credit cards even offer free or discounted lounge access, so it's worth checking. Bonus tip for extra peace of mind: think about travel insurance, a travel credit card for emergencies, or signing up for the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program if you're a US citizen traveling abroad. With a bit of planning, airports can be way less stressful. Once you get into the rhythm, air travel becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and safe travels on your next adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks.